In this video, we'll see what is runtime polymorphism. First, I'll tell you what is runtime polymorphism and then I'll explain it better with the example program. So, runtime polymorphism is that we create the object for base class using the reference of a derived class. That's it. Okay. So, now I'll explain it with this example. So, I created a base class naming as overriding, and inside my base class I have a variable which is of type integer, and I've given a value 10 for it. And then I've created a method and named it as em, and inside which I have my print statement. I've given a simple print statement. Okay, so then I've closed my method and my class. So we are done with the base class. Then I have my derived class here. In my derived class, I've created same like that. I've created a variable of type integer and given a value as 20, and then I'm overriding a method em, and here I've given a print statement inside that. Okay, so we're done with the derived class also. Then I have my main class. Inside my main class I've given my what is that main statement, and inside the main statement I'm creating the object. So this is what is very important. So this line, we have created the object for base class, okay, using the reference of derived class. So base class name is overriding and my derived class name is overriding too. So here I'm creating the object for my base class using the reference of the derived class. So this line is what is called as runtime polymorphism. Okay, so and one more thing what you have to keep in mind is that when you access a method using the object which is created using runtime polymorphism, you will access the derived class method. So here I'm accessing the method em. So when I access the method em, I will be accessing the method which is in the derived class, that is the overridden method. Okay, and when I in the same way, when I access the variable which is using the same object, when I access the variable, I'll be accessing the variable which is in the base class. Okay, so here I have a variable a which is of type integer in both derived class and the base class, but when I access the variable, I'll be accessing the variable which is in the base class. So only difference is that when I access a method, I'll be accessing the derived class method, and when I access the variable, I'll be accessing the base class variable. Okay, so now I'll just compile and run the code so you'll understand things better. So java c main.java, and I have saved the code with the file name as main. So main is the class name of the class which contains the main function. Okay, so I'm compiling the code. Java c main.java. Sorry, it's taking. Okay, so there is no error. I've compiled my code. So now let me run the code, java space file name, and I've got the output as second class method and 10. So second class method is something which I've given in the overridden method, which is the method in the derived class, and 10 is the value which I've given in uh, base class. Okay, so that's all about the runtime polymorphism. I think you would have understood. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.